Tired of Blox Fruits on your Samsung phone looking more like a slideshow than a swashbuckling adventure? Let's fix that. First, jump into Blox Fruits settings. By tapping the gear icon, find the graphics quality option. This is the biggest lag culprit. Lowering your graphics from high to medium, or even low, can make a massive difference. Experiment to find the sweet spot between visuals and smooth gameplay. Next, let's clear out those sneaky background apps hogging your phone's resources. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the Recent Apps menu. Now, swipe away all those apps you aren't actively using. This frees up valuable RAM and processing power for Blox Fruits. Almost there. Now, head over to your Samsung phone settings app, then tap on Battery and Device Care. Tap on Battery and then toggle on Power Saving Mode. This will limit background activity and improve performance, giving Blox Fruits a boost. And that's it. By adjusting your graphics, managing background apps, and enabling Power Saving Mode, you should experience significantly smoother gameplay in Blox Fruits on your Samsung device. Now go conquer those seas.